Influencer marketing is one of the best way to market your business, but paying for influencers can be extremely expensive. Most business owners that don't do influencer marketing are usually intimidated by how expensive some influencers could be, or they just have trouble finding influencers in general. So today I'll be covering how you can get influencers to market your business for free without paying, and how to find influencers for your business. Most importantly, no, I'm not talking about some kind of affiliate program using influencers to get them to market your business for free. I'm going to genuinely cover how to get influencers to post about your business for free, no strings attached, without any types of deals. Anyways, to briefly introduce myself, my name is Theo and I'm a serial entrepreneur that started several 7-figure businesses. Whether it's a physical brick and mortar store or e-commerce business, something that I've done for almost all my businesses that I've scaled up is influencer marketing, since it's a great way to market my business and a great way to get UGC, which is user generated content, for my businesses. Before we get started, I'll be explaining the concept of influencer seeding. Influencer seeding uses the word seed. You can think of us as planting seeds that'll hopefully blossom into a great long-term relationship with influencers. Essentially, we'll be sending out products, or if you have some business like a restaurant, inviting influencers to stop by for free with no strings attached. We're not asking for a post, story, or anything. The goal is to build a relationship with the influencer, one where we can continuously seed them the product. Also, you'll be genuinely surprised how many people, when seeding, where you gift them the product and no strings attached, will actually end up posting or sharing about your business anyways. Also, the content that you'll be getting from them will be very genuine. And you can always ask them if you can use the story, video, whatever UGC they made for your own business socials or website, or even paid ads as well. Now that we covered what influencer seeding is, I'll be explaining why you should primarily do influencer seeding over paying for influencers. I'll give you a real example from my own experience. So I asked a micro influencer, which are influencers around 10K to 100K followers, how much it would cost for a post and story. And I've been quoted around $200 to $500 for a simple post and story on Instagram. Now, cost of goods of products obviously vary, but pretend my product cost of goods is $10 shipped. Instead of paying this influencer, let's say $200 for a post and story, and if you include my product cost of goods of $10, it adds up to roughly $210. What if I contacted a bunch of micro influencers that are basically the same size and seed my product to 21 influencers, which will add up to $210 all the same when you consider the price of the cost of goods. Now, out of these 21 influencers, what percentage do you guys think will actually end up sharing about the product, whether it's a post or story or reel or whatever? You'd be pleasantly surprised that from my extensive experience, it averages around 70% of influencers seeded actually end up sharing about the product. So I've gotten an extremely well-made reels, stories, posts sharing about my product without even asking them to post. So ask yourself, what's more worth it? That one guaranteed post or story from a micro influencer, just one, or potentially 10 plus posts, stories, reels from the same size micro influencers? I'd say it's a no-brainer to choose more influencers marketing my business for essentially the same amount of money, a lot more UGC content to use for socials, my website, or paid ads, and the fact that I'm genuinely building a real relationship with these influencers rather than a transactional relationship is just an added bonus. So imagine you seed a product to an influencer and they make a very viral Instagram reel or TikTok about your business. That could bring in a ton of revenue at essentially no cost besides the cost of goods. And you can even potentially ask to work together in the future by sending them more product as a thank you, or offering some kind of contract for them to keep producing content for you. Now, let's talk about how you can actually get started doing influencer seeding for your own business. Whether you're drop shipping or doing e-commerce or own some sort of brick and mortar business, whether it's a restaurant or a coffee shop or whatever, you'd obviously want to find influencers that are in the same niche as you. For example, I run a brick and mortar boba or bubble tea franchise. I'll typically try to find some sort of foodie influencer to market my business. Something I do is to go to my competitors or restaurants in general Instagram accounts, check their tag photos, and I look for posts that get a lot of engagement in terms of likes, comments, comments or views. Then I just reach out to the influencer that posted that content through email or DM. And you can say anything super simple. I could say something like, hi, we're a small local boba store. We really love your content about boba or food. If their content is about food, we love how funny and authentic you are in all your content. We would love to invite you to try our boba store for free, no strings attached. If you're interested, just let us know what day we can welcome you. Or you can even just ask ChatGPT to write you a better script than that one. But that's the concept essentially. There's a bunch of other ways to find influencers too, by looking up hashtags or typing in relevant keywords. Like on TikTok, if you're just trying to find some fitness influencers to market some gym product that you're selling, it wouldn't be too hard to type in fitness or gym or workout and look at the recent top videos on TikTok, and then just reach out to these influencers through email or DM. But in general, I just make a big list of influencers and just shoot your shot. Overall, influencer seeding is one of the best ways to do influencer marketing for any business, whether it's a physical business or online business. Obviously, there are times where you can consider paying for influencers, but I definitely recommend you give this strategy a go first and see what results it can bring for your business. Anyways, if you found this video insightful and found value from it, then please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know what type of videos you'd like to see from me in the comments down below, since I'll be trying to make a lot more videos soon. Anyways, peace.